How to get copyright strike for beginners. First method. Use an anime opening. An example, use Unravel. Second method. You know this man? This man, I can literally hear his voice when he says, "Give me $1, use my music." If you didn't understand, just use music for Michael Jackson. Third method, the final method. And if that didn't work, just use all together. Just do this one. I have a song from Michael Jackson. I have an anime opening. Ah, copyright strike. This video was just a parody. Please don't use any copyright strike music and get banned or something. Please don't do it. It would be bad. Thanks. And have a nice day. Bye.